What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete albums from library on Spotify, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another tutorial. We are doing daily updates and daily uploads, so guys, every day around 20 tutorials, so guys, make sure to check them out because they are tons of help. So how to remove albums from Spotify library. So let's say you want to clear out your Spotify library a bit because there are just too many albums out there and you don't listen to some of them any longer, and you just want to remove them so you can access more easily the albums you're listening currently. So there is one quick way how to do it, and I'm gonna go step by step with you guys. So the Spotify library is basically a place where you kind of save the songs and albums, artists, podcasts which you really like to listen, so it is a lot easier for you to access them. So there is a really quick way. So in the bottom of your screen on your mobile device, go to the bottom right corner next to the search option. When you press on it, as you can see, there is music and podcasts. When you press on music, there are playlists, artists, and albums. So let's say, as you can see, I have one album over here. How can I remove it from my library? So one quick and easy way is just hold on to it. And as you can see, we are having loads and loads of options. So there is a really quick way to undo the library thing. Just press your album, it is removed from library just by pressing that heart option over there. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.